Have you ever wondered how aluminum cans are made? Let's find out in this video. It all starts at bauxite mines, where the raw material for aluminum is extracted. From there, it undergoes an incredible transformation, turning from rock into the lightweight, durable beverage cans we use every day. But how do factories produce billions of cans so efficiently? Let's dive in. It all begins deep underground, where bauxite, an ore rich in aluminum, is mined and transported for processing. After crushing the rock, it's mixed with caustic soda and heated in giant pressure tanks. This separates the valuable aluminum oxide from unwanted impurities. Once refined, the aluminum oxide is sent to massive smelting plants. Here, an electric current passes through the material in a process called electrolysis, separating pure liquid aluminum from the oxide. This step is incredibly energy intensive. Producing just 1 ton of aluminum can use as much electricity as a small town. Once purified, the molten aluminum is cast into massive slabs called ingots, each weighing several tons. These ingots are heated and passed through rollers, thinning them down to incredibly thin sheets, sometimes just 0.1 millimeters thick. But rolling aluminum isn't just about making it thinner. Engineers carefully control the process to ensure the perfect balance between strength and weight. If it's too thick, it wastes material. Too thin, and the can collapses under pressure. Now, it's time to shape the cans. Machines, called cuppers, punch circular discs from aluminum sheets and press them into small cups. These cups then go through a process called drawing and ironing, where they're stretched into their final can shape in just seconds. This happens at blazing speeds. Some factories produce over 2,000 cans per minute. If you blink, you might miss it. Before branding, the cans need to be spotless. They go through chemical baths and high-pressure rinses to remove any traces of oil or debris. Next comes the branding. High-speed printers apply vibrant logos and designs directly onto the cans. Using specialized ink, manufacturers ensure the designs can withstand moisture and extreme temperatures without fading. Ever noticed how the logos always align perfectly? That's thanks to precision lasers that detect the can's position and adjust the print accordingly. Now, it's time to fill them up. At massive bottling plants, cans move in synchronized rows towards high-speed filling machines. These machines can fill thousands of cans per minute with soda, beer, or juice. Sensors ensure every can is filled. The cans are sealed with aluminum lids in a process that takes just milliseconds. At this point, the drink inside is locked in, fresh, and pressurized. Finally, the cans are inspected, sorted, and packed into cases, ready to be shipped to stores worldwide. Thanks to their lightweight and stackable design, aluminum cans are one of the most efficient ways to transport beverages. And here's an interesting fact: aluminum cans are 100% recyclable. In fact, a used can could be melted down, reshaped, and back on store shelves in as little as 60 days. So next time you crack open a cold drink, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering behind that simple aluminum can. Let us know which manufacturing process you like the most in the comments below.